County of Kisii for 7 years. One person, one footballer. It is possible. We can make it. We can make it. We can be there. When will stop tribalizing? When will stop carrying boys with arrows, maiming people in this town? When will stop backbiting? When will stop our natural envy and amwam? My brothers and sisters, Shabana has brought us here. I want to plead with you. Let us support him. I'm putting the retainer wall here. Soon, my engineers the other day, they informed me, that in 10 years they have spent 10 billion Kenya shillings in roads. I asked them, translate it. If we would have done tarmac, was it possible to be done? Bakama wandenga chibilioni ikomi kanga na buchara oseti 2,000 kilometers network to watekusi ilami elitoko enke low volume mobilizing machines korosie para 1 kilometer mpakobe keram is 3 million without making profit. I've decided we must reform. Abantu baminto ondetayo ache gotokonya lazima tokonye gesaku kanga bono iga chibilioni komi chirichi atumegete se chipara cha maraba abantu ba enkolia bokora kanga bono chipare chierete kanga ne stadium tokwa gacha gaiga buneya Dubai tobeke chibilioni sana ikomi twagache, and we can even have the World Cup. Akamura Akamoga, one of the contractors, I want to tell you, nkamoteneniga, kana moteneni nkomobolinga musa, wanyawo kole contract ndionzi, ya, nkamteina ni manyete, ekerara ni manyete agante bina akolte kiogoro, nkamobolingwa akolte para, ntebi kemaina, agante ngaya tina akolte, lakini ngwa akanetu, ngakia tebe tol mwengo, na akanetwe, nkamubolia na ikwere chibese ejo nga na invested koko gani chibese ejo mugabana na bonkoleta manyanga eine pechi ndanga na engosoma ngonchole pechi ya kabere kana onchole pechi ya kabere ngo chikoligereria ngo muboli no maite para bono kwa irunere nga yaya ngosoma ngo mdenga yae pa nere go so nere ngo chira nyomba. That boy 2 months down the line, he has never appeared. The same boys we gave a contract at Nyamarambe, around the hospital, they have not appeared. In the ward of this Bogeka, the boys we gave the contract because they used to get air projects and got paid. Now they are unable to move to site. Abantu aminto ntegetemba sabe obaterang korora iranje de baterang aki nipiwe tiagas itarudi nyuma nipiwe risasi nipiwe teke niuliwe. I want to tell you, I know for sure Mheshimiwa William Ruto aliahidi watu na akapeana ahadi nzuri, na mimi wakati mwingine namwangalia kwamba roho yake inawezekana ikuwe nzuri, lakini kuna wakora wanazunguka wanaharibu akili yake. Nataka nimuulize Mheshimiwa William Ruto, tafadhali shuka ukuje usikize wananchi. Maisha ni ngumu. Wacha maisha ya wananchi. Hao askari unatumia kutoka kama hii mkutano ya South Mugrango. Walibeba askari wote kutoka Nyanza. waka